Hi everyone. Um, Thank you for taking your time. Today we are going to talk to you about Agent Architect IQ. I call it either Architect IQ or Architecture IQ. This was for any solution architects on the software side. If you want to have a few of the helpers to design better business applications, then this might be very useful for you. The idea here is like it has about the architecture IQ will have an idea agent and then a business owner agent. Idea agent creates the ideas, and the business owner agent like looks at it and creates the use cases around that, and then the architect goes looks at what needs to be there in the MVPs, business architect especially MVP, and what needs to go to the product and how to scale and what is the um, how many users are going to use the platform, all the business requirements. And then you will hand it over to solution architect agent, which basically analyzes. And here I'm scoping it to Azure PaaS, so that it can build cloud scale application that can scale to any number of users. And add an RAI agent in the beginning itself that can tell you like what are the RAI controls we need to put, what are the RAI processes that we need to follow, and all those things. And then finally, the architecture summarize agent is the one that actually does all the thing, puts together and gives you a consolidated answer. So you see, this is the question I asked. I said like, okay, I want to design an alert management system to scale for millions of users. And then you can see the number of tokens used, and then at the time it took a little longer time. And you can see each individual agent's output over here in a detail. It'll tell you like what it is doing. um, it's a humongous thing, but this is very hard to read. And then the summarized aspect is in the bottom here. But on the right side, what I've done is like I've created individual agents and agents output, so you can see the idea agent, what the output it is providing, and then you can see the business owner one, what is the requirements that the business should be considering within for MVP and for the actual product. And then the business contact, the process mapping, this is the business architect who's actually taking the use case, mapping the process domains and what needs to be done. And then that gets given into the solution architecture one. And then the solution architecture actually creates the best practices. It also creates a mermaid diagram which we need to figure out how to display. And then it'll create an agent teams and the KPI tools that whatever we need to manage and maintain, and the and all the resources that we need to use. And this one is the risk agent, which actually risk assessment that does the RAI and tells you what we need to look for and what are the safety guards and mitigation steps that we need to put in place. And then finally, the last one is the aggregator agent, which takes all of them, creates an entire blueprint with executive summary and high level, and it just pushes it out from all of the agents. So you can see like, I mean, this is just for us to design and understand and learn about different ideas and put things together and come up with the best solution approach. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.